Welcome to Cash Cafe. If this is your first visit, make sure you hit that subscribe button. TikTok has rapidly emerged as a powerhouse in the social media landscape, captivating audiences with its short-form video content and engaging features. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok offers a unique opportunity for individuals to not only showcase their creativity, but also to monetize their content and turn their passion into profit. In this video, we will delve into the various strategies and techniques for making money on TikTok, exploring how to create compelling content, leverage the platform's features, collaborate with brands, and maximize earnings through the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok isn't just about dancing challenges and lip-sync videos anymore. It's also a goldmine for those looking to make some serious cash. In today's video, we'll delve into how you can turn your TikTok game into a money-making machine. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok has become a powerhouse in the social media scene. Its easy-to-digest short-form videos have captured the attention of users of all ages, making it a prime platform for creators to showcase their talents and build a loyal following. To rake in the TikTok dollars, you need to first grow a solid fan base. Creating engaging content that resonates with your audience is key. Whether you're into comedy skits, beauty tutorials, or life hacks, finding your niche and catering to your target audience's interests is crucial for attracting followers who will stick around for more. Jumping on the latest TikTok trends and challenges can help boost your visibility and keep your content fresh. Don't be afraid to put your spin on popular trends to stand out from the crowd. Now that you've built a loyal following, it's time to start cashing in on your TikTok fame. From TikTok's Creator Fund to brand partnerships and sponsored content, there are various ways to monetize your account. Explore different revenue streams to see what works best for you. Partnering with brands through affiliate marketing or sponsored posts can be a lucrative way to earn money on TikTok. Just make sure to align with brands that resonate with your audience for authentic partnerships. TikTok offers a range of features to help creators engage with their audience and boost visibility, ultimately leading to more profit opportunities. Going live on TikTok and using the Stories feature can help you connect with your followers in real time, fostering a deeper relationship and keeping them coming back for more. Using relevant hashtags and catchy captions can make your content more discoverable on TikTok. Take the time to research trending hashtags and craft engaging captions to attract a wider audience and increase your earning potential. Your personal brand is like your TikTok signature, so it's essential to stand out in a sea of content. Figure out what makes you, well, you. Are you the witty comedian, the DIY guru, or the fashion maven? Embrace what sets you apart and let your personality shine through your content. Consistency is key on TikTok. Create a content strategy that aligns with your brand identity and stick to it. Whether it's your editing style, color palette, or posting schedule, keep things cohesive to build a recognizable aesthetic that keeps viewers coming back for more. Ready to monetize your TikTok game? Start by identifying brands that align with your brand values and audience. Craft a compelling pitch that showcases how you can help the brand reach its goals and resonate with your followers. Remember, genuine partnerships are the way to go. When the deals start rolling in, make sure you negotiate fair terms that benefit both parties. Keep your audience in mind and deliver sponsored content that feels authentic and adds value. Trust is key, so only promote products you genuinely believe in. Looking to cash in on TikTok's Creator Fund? Ensure you meet the eligibility requirements and go through the application process diligently. Keep an eye on your engagement metrics and content quality to boost your chances of qualifying for those sweet earnings. To up your earnings potential, focus on creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked. Experiment with trends, interact with your audience, and keep an eye on the ever-changing algorithm. The more you engage and grow your following, the closer you'll get to that Creator Fund pot of gold. As you navigate your journey towards making money on TikTok, remember that consistency, authenticity, and engagement are key to success. Congratulations! You made it all the way through the video. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, check out some of our other very informative videos on the channel.